Okay, continuation. I didn't know about that ride. I thought it's just like something or what, but it's so scary. Okay, that is the first ride. I didn't know that that's the mystery castle that they're talking about. Now we have to another park here. Look at the beautiful flowers. Okay, so that's what it is. Okay. We're going up and down like to the tallest part. Crazy. I thought it's a haunted house or something. Okay. Now let's go again to this part. Hi there, welcome. See? Oh, we're back. We're back here. It's like a shortcut. Oh, now we're here. Okay. Wow, there's another one here. Yeah, thank you. Now I feel thirsty and hungry. Till next time, Beggars Bag, bye bye.